How to draw an umbrella, step by step. Hey, what's going on everyone? So for the first step, let's begin by drawing a long curved line going from left to right. This will look similar to an upside down U line. Next, in between these two endpoints, we're going to draw 3 small dots. This will help us separate the curves on the bottom of our umbrella. And don't forget that if you're new to the channel, then welcome. We regularly upload step-by-step drawing tutorials just like today's video. So if you want to see more videos just like this, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button. Now, let's go ahead and connect these dots by using upside down curved lines similar to the first one that we first drew. However, these will be much smaller. Wonderful! Now we have the top portion of our umbrella drawn. For this next step, we're going to want to draw the lines on the inside of our umbrella. In total, I'm going to draw 3 lines, and these 3 lines will connect to the dots that we previously drew together. Now, on the very top point of our umbrella, we're going to want to draw a small shape that looks similar to a rectangle going up and down. We're going to want to fill this in completely black. Once we're all done drawing that small shape, we're going to want to draw the handle of our umbrella, which will be coming down at the same point where we previously drew that shape. The shape of the handle will look similar to an upside down candy cane. Nice job! Now we're all done drawing the umbrella. However, I'm going to go right above the umbrella and draw small raindrops for additional detail. If you would like, you can skip ahead and see a picture of my drawing all colored in. If not, let's continue and let's draw some small raindrops right above. In total, I'm going to draw around 10 raindrops. If you would like to draw more or less, then that's completely okay as well. And if you're enjoying today's video so far, then be sure to give this a big like by hitting the thumbs up button right below. That way, we can continue to draw with other YouTube artists just like yourself. This is how to draw an umbrella. Thank you for watching on How to Draw Hub, and don't forget that next I'll show you a picture of my drawing all colored in. Great job today, and thank you for drawing with me. See you next time! Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.